Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble the Ninja Foodi Deluxe pressure cooker. This is to make the cleaning a little bit easier and I guess to have a deeper cleaning. All you're going to need is a Phillips screw head or screwdriver, a T15 Torx bit or screwdriver, and a wrench. I'm not sure what size this is, but you know, more than likely you have it in your toolbox. Now there's going to be two different types of T15s, so you need to make sure you get the one with the hole, like this one right here. Okay, so we're just going to go in here and show you what you need to remove. You're going to have to remove 4 of these Phillips screwdriver or screws right here, right here, right here, and right here. Okay, now we're gonna remove 4 T15 screws, like those. Okay, so after removing the 4 Phillips screws and the 4 T15 screws, you should be able to take this off, and now you can clean this. Once you remove that Phillips screw, you will now have to pull from this metal wire backwards. Make sure you remember in which hole it goes through, so when you put it all back together, you won't have any problems. So now, pulling from the coil, you should be able to feed the wires a little bit through, just far enough to where you can see that red cable. That should be good. Now you have access to the fan. Now to remove the fan, you would hold it with one hand and then use a wrench to unscrew the bolts. Now you're gonna have to unscrew it clockwise. Make sure you get the washer as well. Now we have the fan and the fan shield, so you can, clean it with your soapy water or degreaser, whatever you would like to use. And then you can also just clean this out with your, with a rag or a brush or whatever. And then for assembly, you just, reverse the steps, and that should be it.